So my wife has always been a big fan of the Bath and Bodyworks Wallflower. Now, the interesting thing about this scent warmer is the way the cartridges are installed. They are counter-threaded, meaning, so instead of the normal righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it is in fact lefty-tighty, which is hard to say and hard to understand because it goes against everything you've ever learned. Now, when you're installing a new cartridge, just unwrap it, pop the cap off, and you can see there, it's like you go to loosen it. Nope, wrong way. Righty-loosey. Now, I did some research, and on their website, they say that the reason they chose to do this was a safety, protection, fire hazard sort of thing. If you look up in there, it is kind of dark brown and suspicious looking. It could just be the oils, but I could see where if someone were to try and put the wrong brand in here, maybe it could cause it to ignite, but that is why they say they counter-threaded it. The first time you install it, it's just so weird, so I thought I would make a video and show you guys how to go ahead and do that. Now, I do want to mention one of the cool features with the Wallflower. Obviously, it does say right there, keep upright. If you're in a situation like ours where you have to plug it in where it would be on its side like that, the cool thing is you can rotate these prongs. It does take a little bit of force, but you can snap those so it fits like so and doesn't cause any leaks. So, kind of a smart idea. I mean, I get what they're doing with the safety issue there, but also it's nice that you can't have any competitors plug their oil into your device. So, kind of wink, wink, nod, nod at Bath and Bodyworks. Hopefully this was helpful to you and you didn't break your Wallflower trying to install this. Feel free to like or subscribe. I do appreciate it. And I'm always tackling a new job around the house. So enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you next time.